It is time for a new generation of leadership in America.
Vice President Kamala Harris is urging voters to choose democracy during her closing arguments rally on the Ellipse. This is the same spot Trump held a Stop the Steal rally before the Capitol riot in 2021.
I'm very excited. I never thought I'd see a Kamala Harris rally. So as soon as it was announced, I signed up. I think she's just here to kind of erase the memory of all of the hate that happened on January 6th and just starting fresh with a new vision.
Harris chose the venue to remind voters of January 6th, calling Trump a threat to democracy. This message is largely reminiscent of Biden's campaign. The Harris campaign has shied away from this tone until recently. Harris said Trump wants unchecked power, an announcement after former White House Chief of Staff John Kelly claimed that Trump has fascist qualities.
It feels a little heavy because this place has suddenly become something that doesn't always feel safe. I think since January 6th, since the riots, a lot of folks here are worried about our safety and worried about, can we show up and show out for, a politician that we believe in, for the rights that we believe in, and do it safely.
It's also a good way to kind of erase what happened here. It's a good way to kind of reset, which I think is what we need to reset the last 10 years of, horror that we've had to deal with. And I think being here at the Ellipse is a great place to do it. The Democrats have had a hard time in the past staying on message, and I think right now they have finally got on message, stayed on message, and hit all the right areas. Even though it sounds repetitive and they keep saying the same thing, they're doing that to make sure that that message gets through, and I think people are listening.